I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. It's way too early in the morning, and I'm rolling out. I gotta go work. I'm leaving work in Illinois, heading towards Arkansas. Gonna meet up with the Lano Rider. I'll pick you up later. I'm loaded down heavy. We'll see you.
Hey, I'm getting ready to leave work looking like the Beverly Hillbillies here. So I'm getting ready to leave work. There's a shot of the rig. There ain't enough room for myself, a backpack, and that space. Alright, so stop and talk to a guy from work. Double checking my straps. Everything looks good. My tags are up to date. I have insurance in the glove box. Let's see how this goes. I want to ride for a minute, and then I'll top my gas off. 61.85 is my start mileage from work. It's about a 1:45 my time, 1:45, 1:45 Illinois time. Getting in the breeze. This is gonna be awesome. Vents open, visor down. Oh, that breeze feels amazing. It's like 92. We're supposed to get to 92. We're at 90, 89, somewhere in there. Check my pack in the mirror. Yep, it's there. Oh, golly. Big thanks to Mick at work. He let me stash my camera gear so they weren't 5,000 degrees getting melted. And he let me pick them up after I took off. I am playing hooky. Things being as they were, boss man was good with me splitting half a day today. So I'm gonna have to have one of these mirrors aimed up at that pack so I can make sure it ain't going nowhere. Oh, yeah, I was talking to a fellow I work with, and I got real hot real quick just standing there talking in this jacket. So here's the deal. Here's the little dealio. I am soon to be south and westbound and down. Gonna meet the Lano Rider in Arkansas. I'm leaving the east edge of Illinois, and I forgot my map, see? So I'm gonna be kind of trusting on my cell phone eventually. Right now, I basically know where I'm going. I want to take Highway 1 down to, is it Mount Carmel? That's basically going to be due south, and then I will break off and start heading more west. We are meeting up at Tyler Bend. Sorry about the head movements. I got to keep checking my pack. I don't want to lose my camera gear. I got some money tied up in that. Tyler Bend Campground, and I'm supposed to be there tomorrow. I have 9 hours to ride. I have probably 7 hours until it's dark. So I'm ahead of schedule in the grand scheme of things. So I'm going to chill. And when I do turn the GPS on, it's set to avoid highways, avoid tolls. So I will be doing not much, if any, interstate. And keeping the KLR happy. And I'm going to ride until I'm tired. And then I'm going to get a room. And then, yeah, I'm going to chill for the night, and then I'll finish the trip tomorrow. There is spotty rain throughout the whole region. there's a chance I get wet. We're just gonna see how this goes. I'm pretty excited to be cruising along without a timeline pressing on me, and I can just enjoy my ride. Looks like rain up there. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna shut you off now. 20 minutes in, almost 30 minutes in. Rain and construction. So far, still worth it. It looks like I could outrun it though, or maybe run right into it. The way the clouds look. It's spotty from Illinois through Missouri into Arkansas as of, 30 minutes ago when I checked the radar. Well, folks, I just tried to take a side quest, and it was unsuccessful. It said there was a historical marker, so I made that right-hand turn, dropped off on a pretty little road, and then it said dead end, and it forked the other direction, and I was not getting lost. So we are headed southwest, but we are on US 45 south. Sure, start it. I can't hear it. That'll help me remind me when I need to turn. 146. Okay. 45 to 146 to 37 south. I'm still in Illinois. I don't know if you believe that by the scenery, but we're starting to get into some hills. There's another rider. Oh, look, the first rocks of the trip. I'm excited to see the Lano riders. Wow, look at that. We're getting, well, I don't know how close we are to the end of Illinois, but we're getting into pretty country now. This is my kind of view. Anyhow, what I was saying, I'm interested to see the Lano riders trip in to St. Joe, Arkansas. It'll be interesting to see each other's trips in. Just, I guess he's heading east and I'm heading west. I don't know. Different sides of the same coin, or I don't know what the word is for it, but it'll be pretty cool. I buy me a pop-up camper on the way. Be like the Lano rider. Who needs directions? Me. But there's a sign that said Cairo, and that's right where through I'm heading, so I'm reckoning probably this highway goes straight to Cairo. Cache River. C-H-E, not S-H. Illinois sure is pretty wide on their definition of river. Some of these things I've crossed on the way down, they don't look very rivery. They look more creek or ditch or mud hole. crop duster, I think. How cool is that? Ah, he just flew over me and I could hear his engine. That was crazy. I saw a shadow too. What is that noise? And then right over the top of me. Oh, rocks. Crossing the Mississippi. I just had me a Red Bull break at the Flying J and booked a room in Poplar Bluff, Missouri. I'm currently in Sykeston. It's an hour down this Highway 60. I needed that stretch. That will put me about 4 hours from the campground. My carpool ride ain't worth a crap, so I just stuck my phone in the bag and fingers crossed she'll have enough juice to get me to Poplar Bluff. Look at that sky. I think I made the right call. You never know till you get there, but I'm just saying, I'm squinting from sunshine, not rain.
Oh, hey, good morning.
So hey, it is Friday morning.
Getting ready to keep heading towards Tyler Bend after a while. It poured and poured last night. It was not good. I have my sheepskin attempting to dry out, but I don't have high hopes for it. I've been searching the internet for something to do today on the way to St. Joe to Tyler Bend. I had such a good day riding yesterday that I'm ahead of schedule and sort of have time to kill before check-in. So we'll see what we can get into. But yeah, I don't want a wet butt, so I'm going to hang out here at the room with air blowing on the sheepskin as long as possible. And I got to pack up again, but no big deal.
I'll see you later.